welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in the last video, we studied about Jagannath Shankar Seth. We are studying the social reformers of Maharashtra, and today we are going to start with Acharya BalShastri Jambhekar. So, the society was confused due to the higher knowledge. During such transformation period, with his broad outlook, Jambhekar guided the society and carried out social awakening. So, what then did BalShastri Jambhekar do? He carried out social awakening. I have highlighted the important points, so we'll study them so that it becomes easier for us to understand. So, first is he carried out social awakening. Let us see about his personal details. He was born at Pomburle in Rajapur Taluka, Ratnagiri on 6th January 1812. As of now, this particular place is in Devgarh Taluka, Sindhudurga, and he was very intelligent. He studied Sanskrit, English, Gujarati, Bengali, and Persian languages. He was excellent in other subjects too. So he was the deputy secretary of Bombay Native Education Society. So we studied earlier that Bombay Native Education Society was established by whom? Please let me know in the comment section. It was established by Jagannath Shankar Seth. We studied in the previous video, and he was the deputy secretary of this particular society. Then he was the teacher of Prince of Akkalkot State on behalf of the government. He was the assistant professor in Elphinstone College. He also worked as the director of teachers education class. He was appointed as inspector of primary school in Mumbai Presidency. So there are few things that we need to remember. Firstly, he was the deputy secretary of which organization? The Bombay Native Education Society. And he was the teacher of Prince of Akkalkot State. Third, he was the assistant professor in Elphinstone College. Fourth, he was the director of teachers education class. And fifth, he was the inspector of primary schools in Mumbai Presidency. So he was also interested in historical research. He studied about reading inscriptions, search of copper inscriptions, etc. He wrote on various subjects like history, geography, grammar, mathematics, poetics, ethics, etc. We will look at the important books of BalShastri Jambhekar. फर्स्ट इज शून्य लाभदेव, हिंदुस्थानाचा इतिहास, हिंदुस्थानाचा प्राचीन इतिहास, सरसंग्रह, इंग्लंडचा इतिहास. He edited Jnaneshwari along with commentary. And also he started the newspaper for social awakening. It is called as Darpan. So Darpan was the first Marathi newspaper, and in which year he started this newspaper? It was 1832. Remember the date, it is 1832. Okay, the date is 1832. Okay. He also started a weekly named as Digdarshan in 1840. So Darpan was started in 1832, and after 8 years, Digdarshan was started in 1840. So he is known as the father of Marathi newspaper. Just a minute. Yes, he is known as the father of Marathi newspaper, early history researcher, promoter of reforms, educationist, senior journalist. He is considered leading reformer in Mumbai. He died on 17 May 1846 at Baneshwar. Okay, so when we are remembering the books of BalShastri Jambhekar, we need to remember that if the word Itihas is there, remember by this trick. Hindustana's Itihas. Over here we see the word Itihas. इंग्लंडचा इतिहास, then प्राचीन इतिहास. If इतिहास word is there, then it is BalShastri Jambhekar. Then Shunyalabdi and Sangrah. Both are by BalShastri Jambhekar, and he edited Naneshwari along with commentary. So, which were the newspaper that was started by Acharya BalShastri Jambhekar? It was Darpan, and in which year? 1832. 1832. Darpan was a Marathi newspaper, and he also started weekly, that is Digdarshan, in 1840. 8 years after Darpan newspaper. Okay, he's known as the father of Marathi newspaper, and he's known as leading reformer in the area of social awakening. He brought reforms. Okay, and that's it for today's video. In the next video, we will study about the Dadoba Panduranga Tarkhadkar. Okay, and if you remember all these points, please note it down in the comment section. Yes, and if you like this video, please give a like, share it with your uh, English medium MPSC friends, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.